Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Chase affiliate offers for credit card review commissions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, create an account on the Chase affiliate program website. Provide your personal details and agree to the terms and conditions. Once your account is approved, log into your affiliate dashboard. Navigate to the Offers section to explore available credit card offers. Select the specific credit card you want to promote. Review the commission rates associated with that card. Copy your unique affiliate link for the selected credit card. Now, write a comprehensive review of the credit card. Highlight its benefits, features, and any promotional offers. Be sure to include your affiliate link strategically within the review. Use engaging visuals and relevant images to enhance your content. Incorporate personal experiences if you have used the card. Ensure that your content complies with the Federal Trade Commission guidelines. Disclose your affiliate relationship transparently in your review. Once your review is published, share it on social media platforms. Monitor your dashboard for clicks and conversions. Regularly evaluate the performance of your affiliate links. Make adjustments to your strategy based on analytics data. Continue to engage with your audience through comments and feedback. Stay updated on any changes in Chase affiliate offerings. Always seek to create high-quality content to build trust with your readers. Focus on driving traffic to your review through SEO and social media marketing. This will enhance your chances of earning credit card review commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.